Hello everybody. In this video, I am going to show you how you can calculate the final price of an item after a discount percentage has been applied to it. In this video, I will show you two ways to do that. The first way will have two steps, whereas the second way will have only one step in it. Here you can see I have a table which has the items, their original price and their discount percentages. Both the tables are exactly the same. So let us now look at the first step. The first way of doing it is to first calculate the discount amount, and we can do that very easily by saying equal to original price times the discount percentage divided by 100. So this gives us the discount amount for each item. I can drag this, and so Excel will now calculate the discount amount for each of these items. Now that I have the discount amount, I can calculate the final price by saying equal to original price minus the discount amount, and that gives you the final price. Again, I will go ahead and drag this all the way down so that it calculates the final price for each of these items. Now, coming to the second way, what it does is basically combines both these steps into one step. So let us see how it can be done. So here we will directly find the final price, and we will do it by saying equal to your original price times open brackets 1 minus the discount divided by 100 close bracket. So again, your original price times open bracket 1 minus your discount divided by 100 close bracket. And when I hit enter, as you can see, it has calculated the same final price. Again, the same steps to calculate all the final price for all the items. I just go ahead and drag it down all the way. So these are two ways that you can calculate the final price after a discount has been applied, and it is basically your preference whether you want to do it in one step or you want to break it up into multiple steps. Hope this video was useful to you, and have a wonderful day.